Oh, well, like this? Oh.
We're going to go where this part, we're on slingshot. They're going to tighten those things up. We're going to fly.
I'm scared now.
Oh, Jesus.
We're going to be moving all over the place. Oh, no, we're going to go.
Yeah, I know. We haven't gotten to see it yet. That's just those bands who get really tight.
It says we go 0 to 60 in 1.2 seconds. Oh, okay.
Expect all the little spins.
I wasn't expecting that boing, boing, boing.
And I need to send your sleep before. Guys, that's fun. Let go now. You're safely on the ground. Still holding on to your life. On the ground. Early. Come here.